Hello students, today we are going to see our next chapter, that is chapter number 11, Bank Reconciliation Statement of Standard 11 Commerce Subject Account. So here, as we know and we have discussed before, in a modern era, there is a very important of a bank and bank transaction. Nowadays, to receive money or to make the payment, traders has to make the transaction through bank. So nowadays there are more transactions through the bank. So in a cash book also we are preparing bank column, cash book, or if there is no cash book, if trader is not preparing cash book, then also bank account is also prepared by trader. So that bank account supposed to be there in the books of traders. Again, we know that it is very important to make the transaction through bank, and bank is also preparing our account, as bank has to prepare the account of all the account holders. So bank is also preparing our account, and so there is a trader's account in the books of bank, and in the paid books of traders there is a account of bank. So that two account must be tallied after some time, that is it can be tallied weekly or monthly or quarterly, so that if the transaction between that two are differ, maybe because of the any error or due to any omission of transaction or any other reason, if there is a difference between the account in a bank of trader and the account in the books of trader, so that must be known, and to know that thing there is a need of bank reconciliation statement. So here the word is itself is telling us that it is a statement, it is not a account. So bank reconciliation statement is a statement that we are preparing to make the tally transaction between bank and the traders. So here very important thing is passbook. So whatever bank is writing in its book about the transaction of traders, that extract of that copy is called passbook. So here first thing we need to know the passbook, and in the passbook the bank is writing transaction about the traders. So let's write the meaning of passbook. So here passbook means a copy or extract of trader's account in the books of bank. So that is passbook. Passbook means a copy or extract of a trader's account. In the books of a bank. So this is the meaning of passbook. Okay. So here passbook means the trader's account in the books of bank. So from that we have to see the transaction, and we have to reconcile the same transaction in the cash book or in the account, bank account in the book of traders. So here we also have to understand the specimen of passbook, so that we can understand what are the balance of passbook. So here the column in the passbook is a date, particular, check number, amount withdrawn, amount deposited, balance, and sign of officer. So let's prepare the specimen of passbook. So here, as we discussed, here very first column is a date. So here the date, then the other column is a particular, where we have to write the particulars about the deposit or withdrawal. Then there is a check number, where we have to write the number of the check which we have written or we have deposited. Here then the amount of withdrawn, that is debit rupees, and amount deposited, that is credit rupees. Then the other column is a balance, that is the balance of the bank account. It is also in the rupees. And the last column is a sign of bank officer. And it is the sign. So here we have to prepare. We have to see here the extract of a passbook. So this is how it is in the passbook. So here we can see that the amount withdrawn from the bank, it is debit, and amount deposited in the bank, it is having on the credit side. It is exactly reverse of the cash book. So this is the extract of the passbook. This is the specimen of the passbook. And so these are the column of the passbook. Now we have to understand the cash book. So cash book means the book which is prepared in the books of traders and the account of the bank. So here in the traders account, there is an account of bank or cash book is prepared. So the balance in the cash book will be exactly opposite from this. Whatever deposited in the bank, it will be written on the debit side, and whatever withdrawn from the bank, that we already know, it is on the credit side. So here exactly opposite entry will be there in the cash book. So this is passbook and the cash book. Now from the passbook and cash book we have to understand the bank balance and bank overdraft. So here as we know that in the cash book, so in the cash book debit balance means the bank account, that is the bank balance in the bank. It is called means cash book debit balance, and in the passbook it is having credit balance, exactly reverse of the cash book. Again, whatever the overdraft is there, it is on the credit side of the cash book. So here it is on the debit side of the passbook. So it must be having opposite balance. Okay. So here let's try to understand. Debit balance as per cash book or bank account is bank balance. So here our next thing that we have to understand is a bank balance or bank overdraft. And bank overdraft. So here we have to understand that the bank balance means bank balance as per cash book or bank account is a bank balance. Okay, so it is bank balance as per the cash book, and it is having which balance? So bank balance has debit balance as per the cash book. But okay, debit balance. So according to passbook, bank balance have credit balance. So here here bank balance as per cash book is having debit balance and credit balance as per passbook. So here this is very important for us that bank balance as per cash book is having debit balance and is equal to credit balance as per passbook. Again, the second thing that we have to understand is bank overdraft. As per cash book, and it is having credit balance, and the same have debit balance as per passbook. So this is very important for us that the bank balance as per cash book is having debit balance and it is called credit balance as per passbook, and bank overdraft as per cash book is having credit balance is equal to debit balance as per passbook. So that is very important. Student, you may note down this, then we will understand the bank reconciliation statement. Now let's see the meaning of bank reconciliation statement. So here we have discussed that there is a in a passbook there is a abstract copy of trader's account in a bank, and there is a in a trader's account there is a account of a bank. So in that, if any difference is there, that means because of any mistake or any omission, if any transaction is remained to record, or if it is wrongly recorded, or any because of any other reason, there is a difference between the balances of a bank as well as trader, that can be find out with the help of bank reconciliation statement. So here the meaning of bank reconciliation statement is a bank reconciliation statements means a statement showing the causes of differences in the balance of bank as per cash book and balance as per passbook for a particular time on a particular date. So this is the meaning of bank reconciliation statement. So let's write this. So here bank reconciliation statement is also called BRS, bank reconciliation statement. So here bank reconciliation statement means a statement showing the causes of difference in the balance of a bank as per cash book. And balance per passbook. For a particular time. Or on a particular date. So this is called bank reconciliation statement. And now let's see the purpose for preparation of bank reconciliation statement. So very first purpose to prepare the bank reconciliation statement is to make the tally the account as per cash book, as per passbook. So we can tally both account according to cash book and as per passbook. The next purpose to prepare the cash book is bank reconciliation statement is to know the any omission is there in the cash book of the transaction that can be known from that. The next purpose to prepare the BRS is to know any error has been done in writing the books of account, that also can be known. And next purpose is if any check is remained to deposit in the bank, that can be also known from the bank reconciliation statement. Then if any cash embellishment has been done in the business, that can also be known from the transaction that has been done from within the bank and through the bank, so that can be also known. So there are the plenty purpose to prepare the bank reconciliation statement, that is also shown here, that you can see. Okay, student, you may note down this in your notebook. Even you can see the purpose of BRS. Thank you for watching this video. In our next video, we'll see the method of preparing BRS. There are two methods of preparing BRS, that is address method and debit credit method, that we'll see in our next video. You may note down.